Good morning, my lovable students and respectable guardians, parents, and all viewers. In the previous classes, already standard 5, that means SST, chapter 10, 9, 10, 11. That means chapter name, forgotten. Let's communicate and moving near and far. But today we discuss about recording and spreading knowledge. Then come to topic and know more about it. Start. Recording and spreading knowledge, standard 5, chapter 12. But you today you know that means the early men did not know how to communicate the speaking or writing because no languages were developed during that time. But they use sign language. But today, there different type of language and numbers are evolved since paper had not been invented in human beings used to write to clay, tablets or palm leaves. Knowledge and information are exchanged verbally. That being, let us learn about the developments took place in the field of writing and how the inventions of paper and printing are made. First, we start basically the development of the field of writing. That means, see the diagram. See the diagram. Hieroglyphs, that means the Sumerian Mesopotamia developed script about 500 that means cuneiform script, but this is not cuneiform script, this is the hieroglyphy. That means these Egyptians also developed their own script named hieroglyphs. It was developed, that means the new letter from the cuneiform script. That means you see the picture, Brahmi script. Brahmi script, that means the Indian, that means it was known as Semitic alphabet, that is script known as Brahmi, also developed in India, Brahmi script. But most of Indian scripts had been developed from the script. So national language Hindi, you know, our national language Hindi is written the Devanagari script. That means the script is based on the phonetics and sounds. Later, the number will develop. Number system, that means you know 0 to 100, that means to crore. That means the concept of 0 was also developed in India. Indians were first to develop and use the decimal system. So India has a made a great contribution in the field of mathematics. You know, see the picture of the Hindi and Arabic. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that means counting 0 to 9 Hindu Arabic system. Then story of paper. Paper means the word derived from papyrus. You know, papyrus. That means system of paper and the system of this plant is beaten to make paper. Then in the 2nd century AD, the 13th century AD, the machine of making paper from wood pulp was invented in 1880. That means papyrus plant. See the picture, papyrus plant. Invention of printing, that means a printing machine, that means was invented in Johannes Gutenberg in 15th century, that means Germany. But then printing of books are fast easier, so Bible was the first book to be printed. Then Braille system. Braille, you know already know about this term. Braille is universally accepted of the system of writing used by blind persons. And it consists of a code of 63 characters. Its character is made of 6 raised to dots arranged in a 6 position matrix or cell. So it is this is their chapter. Lousy Braille is inverted Braille system. So and because it is possible for the blind to get a good education. So this is their completed the SST chapter. So I have already prepared your hard copy. Come to topic, hard copy. That means just do practice more and more times because annual exam is coming now. So thank you so much. Yes. Who first question the exercise? Keep remember. Tick the correct answer. Who were the first to develop scripts? Sumerians, Egyptians, Chinese. Answer is Sumerians. Which among the following countries still uses a pictorial scripts? Japan, India, Egypt. That means number B, India. Sorry, Japan. Sorry, Japan. Japan is the correct answer. Pictorial script. The concept of zero was developed in days. Egypt, China, India. Modern paper was invented in days. China, India, Japan. That means China is the correct answer. Fill in the blanks with the help of what's in the given box. Bible, Chinese, alphabets, Braille, symbols. First, the cuneiform script was used in dash, symbols. Keep remember, question arises, the dash script used symbols, cuneiform scripts. That means number 2, over time, pictorial symbols help people develop dash. Number 2, that means alphabets. Keep remember alphabet. Pictorial symbols help people develop alphabets. Number 3, the Dutch developed the abacus for counting. Number 3, that means the Chinese developed the abacus for counting. Dutch developed the abacus for counting. Chinese people developed the abacus for counting. Number 4, the Dutch was the first book to be printed. Bible, that means the religious person, Christian religion. That is the Bible is the very holy book's name. Bible. The Bible was first book to be printed. Then number 5, Laus Braille devised the Dutch script to visually challenge people. Number 5, that means Braille. Braille script is the Laus Braille developed the storm Braille system. So Braille script visually challenge people, that means blind persons also. And number C, write true or false. Number 1, the cuneiform script was developed after development of the hieroglyphy. That is wrong. That means false. Yes, false. The Brahmi script was developed in India. Yes, that is the true. Our national language Hindi is written in Brahmi scripts. No, that is false. Devanagari scripts. And number 4, the Indians were the first to use the decimal system. Yes, that is the correct answer. The decimal system also right answer. The Indians were the first to use the decimal system. Number 5, paper mills were built in the 13th century. That is not correct. That is the correct answer. 5, paper mills were built in 13th century. Yes, this is the question answer topic, and read answer the following questions. Difference between number D, number 2, 3, 4 and 5, and that is the quick revision. Also do practice quick revision. Last number, quick revision. See the page number 92. Write true or false. Earlier people use sign language to communicate. Yes, that is true. Egyptians are first to develop a script. No, Egyptians, that means, and the correct answer, Sumerians were the first to develop script. That means the false. Number 2, the concept of zero was developed in India. Yes, that is the true. And the Bible was first book printed. Yes, that is the true. Yes, this is the question answer. This question answer, just now question number D. Already I have prepared some hard copy. So number 1, number D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Follow it. Follow the textbook, also hard copy. Thank you so much.